Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, I'm back with Britton. We're doing a lot more videos together. So today we are at my brother's car dealership.
Hackey Motors.
Yeah, we're looking at some pretty cool cars today. For one, I'm trying to get my brother to sponsor me, give me a little moolah.
Oh,
to,
okay, we could go talk to him.
You know, get you out on the YouTube channel. But also, he's got cars all over the place, and pretty much
cars.
I can get the keys to anything whenever I want.
Oh.
So that's the benefit of having a brother with a car dealership.
We're in trouble.
So I really love this Roush behind me, and I really wanted Brit to take a quick look at it. As you guys know, I have an 08 GT, and this is an 08 Roush 427R Trakpak, which is one of 100 made. And what, as far as we know, there's probably only like 60, somewhere 65
66.
left, somewhere in there.
Which is crazy. Like,
so it's kind of a once in a lifetime car. So that's why I got Brit over here, and we're actually just gonna go take it for a burn.
gosh, that is so, this car is amazing.
It grips. My brother Carter, we are thankful for him. He lets us come and play with some of his cars. He's got a lot of cool stuff. We've just kind of scratched the surface with a couple that he's got on the lot today. Tell kind of my audience what you do, what kind of specialties, cars. I mean, we got a Land Rover Defender behind us. It's pretty crazy.
Sure. So like Cody says, my name's Carter Hackey. I own Hackey Motors here in Layton, Utah. Been in business about 23 years. Specialize in almost anything, but a lot of late model stuff. We do a lot of late model cars, some supercars we dabble in, a lot of hot rods, and then trucks and Jeeps. We do probably that more than anything. But we specialize in finding what you want. That's what we do. So that's how I built the business. That's what I still continue to do. Is if somebody tells me what they're looking for, I'll go find it. Like to have fun, so I got a lot of toys. We got sand rails to Defenders to
dirt bikes over here.
Yes, SEMA built stuff out back, and Gladiators and hypercars, and yeah, whatever I can do to keep it interesting and keep wanting to come to work every day.
We grew up in a family of Mustangs, so that's kind of where we know that the best, but at least I do. He's dabbled in a lot more stuff than I have. But anyways, pretty cool that he can basically find anything. I'm actually right now, he's looking for like a little transit van for me.
Yep.
Some of my hobbies, I need a little van. So
for Cody's new job at Uber Eats.
Yeah, Uber Eats. I'm gonna start hauling some food around. So YouTube's not cutting the bills yet. So no, he's looking right now for, my Raptor. You guys seen that? He got that, found it for us. The hard color Leadfoot.
Hardest color to get.
Yep. So anyway, I mean, anything you guys need or want, definitely give Carter a call. I'll put his information down in the description. But if there's anything special or even not special, if you're looking for a Honda Civic or whatever, he can do all that stuff too. So thanks for letting us hang out and play with your car. The Roush is amazing. I know you kind of want to get rid of that one pretty quick. So if you guys know anybody in the market for a Roush, send them our way.
Yep. You only need to get rid of it because I have another Defender that you guys haven't seen yet coming in. So
oh, nice.
So I need room on the showroom.
took you guys so long to turn around up there?
Did you hear
I
us?
thought it was Christmas.
We kind of
Oh,
did a
Terminator.
slow little thing.
I like the Termy. Is that Terminator? Terminator?
I'm driving and I'm really nervous to drive this car. Holy cow! I'm not gonna hit the curb, right?
No, you're pretty far away.
That's what you say. You shouldn't have bought on the He had the Terminator hood, did he not?
Yeah, you got everything Termy.
Oh man.
Jeez,
Woo!
2 seconds and you're already getting yelled at.
I know!
What the heck?
I got yelled at!
We missed it. We had some other kid pull up in another Mustang and talking to us, and then he took off and did a big old burnout in a residential area.
They came out and yelled at us!
And then we get yelled at, yeah. But good thing I wasn't in the driver's seat. The joys of filming.
Hey man, if I get yelled at for that, whatever. That was fun. It's awesome you stopped and talked to us. He was just a kid.
I know, huh?
Nice car. For an 18-year-old.
Convertible 2001 with all the Terminator stuff on it.
Mm-hmm. You have the badges and...
Yeah, it wasn't bad looking.
That was so fun.
A lot of fun. This car's awesome.
It is.
It's pretty amazing.
You gotta love that supercharger whine. Wait!
It almost sounds like the Termy.
It does.
So
It
has
does.
that deep, dark
You
whine
should get-
on it.
You should get it.
What do you guys think? Should I
Like match.
trade the 08 for a white Roush?
Yes.
I mean, I'd love to.
The answer is always yes.
So that's a lot of fun. Glad you were able to come hang out.
Oh, that was awesome. Anytime.
I might think we might get you in that real quick.
Holy cow. That car is insane.
So-
Have you guys seen this NSX here?
Another one of my brother's fun cars. I had it. He autocrossed it. I have another video of it of him autocrossing. But you know, he's got a Camaro that's 800 horsepower. The Corvette right there is twin turboed.
Got a fun bus somewhere in the back.
Yeah, he's got cars everywhere. We got a fun bus.
Awesome.
You guys want to head up to Mesquite or not Mesquite? Wendover. Head to Wendover.
Hey.
Well, we should do that. We should check.
Oh my gosh, that'd be so fun.
yeah.
Like party bus.
Do a party bus to Wendover, and we'll take it. We'll have to go do a tour of the party bus.
Should invite some subscribers.
Yeah.
You guys don't know, Wendover is where the casinos are.
Yeah.
I'm down.
Just kidding,
Anytime.
I won't put that in, but
Has a boom boom room.
anyway, yeah. Who'd want to go? We'll set up. We'll charter it. We'll head down. We'll go to Wendover
dude.
for the weekend. Party it up. If you haven't, go follow Brit. Brit FiveO. Go follow her, give her a like. We're trying to build her channel, trying to get her big. So go follow her.
And subscribe to Cody.
No, follow her. More important.